Hello everybody, today we have seen some official specs and rumored features of the upcoming Micromax In Series smartphone. There will be two smartphones in one and in 1A. Still now it's not clear which one's of higher end among these, but what we know is the higher end supports Helio G85 processor with 48 megapixel quad camera setup, and the lower one supports Helio G35 processor, and the price range of these smartphones will be in between of 7,000 rupees to 15,000 rupees. So are you excited for this smartphone? If you are, so please do comment below what do you think about these made in India smartphones, and stay tuned for the next video. Thank you for watching. Till then,